Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Today I just bought this new increase in soul food. Let me show you if I want to read all. Increase in soul food. 1 to 4 layers, 9 cm high heel lift shoe air cushion pad taller. In Korean, this is much used in Korea for guys in Korea and also girls in Korean. They call it kalchang. Okay, so for this kalchang, and it's very expensive back in Korea, but here I got in Shopee. It's very cheap, 799 ringgit only. So let's unboxing. Before that, let's look into some of the pictures and also details. So you put inside the shoes. There's 3 layer. Either you want to use the first layer, or if you want to increase, then you have the second and also the third option, third layer. And usually if you want to use this, I recommend you to have one size bigger of your shoes. Let's say like me, I'm using a 10th shoes size, but for this particular insole, if I want to put in, the best is if I have 11 size of shoes and then put this inside, then it will be much more comfortable. Some of the details. But if you use same size also, it doesn't matter. It's just a bit packed, but it's a bit jammed, but it's okay. Okay, let's unboxing. Men in Korea, they unsecure when they are a bit not tall than the women, so usually they will use this we call it kalchang. So if you can see, there's a size here, sizing. So this is the last which is size, doesn't see, wait, 25, 26, 26.5, 27, 27 cm. Usually this is size of 10, so you can cut according to your size. Okay, and then this is the extender. So it'll be like this. So this is one design about one inch, means this, I believe this is about 0.5 inch, 1 to 2.5 inch. No, this is about 3 inch overall. So this and first and second is already 2 inch, and this one is about 1 inch. So if you want to look high, like me, sometimes if I go to events, then I want to look a bit taller than usual, then I'll put this inside these shoes. And usually the more high rise shoes is more better, so it doesn't look awkward. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye.